How to overcome Datetime.Datetime not Json serializable. I have a basic dict as follows. When I try to do Jonify sample, I get. What can I do such that my dictionary sample can overcome the error above? Note, though it may not be relevant, the dictionaries are generated from the retrieval of records out of MongoDB, where when I print out str sample some date, the output is August 8th, 2012 21 column 46 column 24.862000.
Updated for 2018. The original answer accommodated the way MongoDB date fields were represented as $date column 1506816000000. If you want a generic Python solution for serializing datetime to JSON, check out @Monty's answer for a quick solution which requires no dependencies. As you are using Mongo Engine, comments, and pymongo is a dependency, pymongo has built-in utilities to help with JSON serialization. This URL. Example usage serialization. Example usage deserialization. Django. Django provides a native Django JSON coder serializer that deals with this kind of properly. See this URL. One difference I've noticed between Django JSON coder and using a custom default like this is that Django strips a bit of the data. So you may need to be careful about that in some cases.
Convert the date to a string.
Building on other answers, a simple solution based on a specific serializer that just converts Datetime.Datetime and Datetime.Date objects to strings. As seen, the code just checks to find out if object is of class Datetime.Datetime or Datetime.Date, and then uses .iso format to produce a serialized version of it, according to ISO 8601 format, YYYY$DDTHH, which is easily decoded by JavaScript. If more complex serialized representations are sought, other code could be used instead of SDR. See other answers to this question for examples. The code ends by raising an exception to deal with the case it is called with a non-serializable type. This JSON_serial function can be used as follows. The details about how the default parameter to JSON.dumps works can be found in section Basic Usage of the JSON module documentation.
I have just encountered this problem and my solution is to subclass Json.JSONencoder. In your call, do something like json.dumps, urobj, cls equals Datetime.Encoder, the .iso format I got from one of the answers above.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.